Hello friends, welcome to Government Staff Channel. दोस्तों, there is a good news from the Karnataka government for its state government employees because government has released the order number FT12 SRP you can see on the screen dated 18th of June 2018. And friends, in this order, government said that government are pleased to sanction dearness allowance to the state government employees at the rate of 1.75% of the basic pay in year 2018, and that will be effective from 1st January 2018. And further, this letter states that this order will apply to the full-time government employees of the Jilla Panchayats, and work charged employees on regular time scale of pay, full-time employees of aided educational institutions and universities who are on the regular time scale of pay. It means all the permanent government employees and all the other employees who are on regular time scale pay. This DA will be paid to only those employees. And government are also pleased to sanction the dearness allowance at the rate of 1.75%, same as state government employees, of revised pension or family pension with effect from same 1st January 2018 to state government pensioners and family pensioners. There is also a good news because this hike in DA is applicable to state government employees and pensioners both. And friends, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe Government Staff channel and stay tuned for latest update regarding government employees and pensioners. And further, this letter states that the payment of dearness allowance admissible under this order is payable in cash till further order. It means this amount of dearness hike will be paid in cash, arrears will be paid in cash, and separate order will be issued in respect of employees on UGC, AI, CTE, ICAR, NJPC scale of pay, and also in respect of pensioners in the said pay scale. It means for these employees, the separate letter or separate order will be issued regarding dearness hike. The payment on account of dearness allowance involving fraction of 50 paise and above shall be rounded off to the next rupee, and fractions less than 50 paise will be ignored. It means if your calculation stands in digit, if 50 paise and above, then you will be paid the next higher rupee, and if it is below 50 paise, then you will be paid the bottom full rupees. Friends, here you can see the official letter released by the state government of Karnataka. You can see here, this is the official letter, all parawise it is shown here. So you need not to download from anywhere else because I am showing you the official letter released by the state government, and it is signed by the DS Jogojen. He is the Deputy Secretary to the Karnataka government in Finance Department, and copy of this letter has also been circulated to all the concerned departments. Here you can see the list. All total 25 departments have been informed about this increase in dearness allowance for the state government employees. And you can also visit the official link of Finance Ministry of Karnataka government, that is the www.finance.kar.nic.in. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Government Staff channel. Bye bye. Take care.